Welcome back to another channel. Today we're gonna fix these loose latches. Here it makes noise here. Driver's side, I got the fix in it. It's not as loud as this. So what I got was some Velcro from 3M. I cut it down to strips right here. And you just basically put it right on the side here, so when it closes it fills that gap. It's a lot quieter. You could put it on both sides, but for now I'm gonna just do the one side here, and hopefully all my rattles will go away. Pretty loose. I have the hard top, but then have the soft top striker still. See how this goes, and I'll probably order these hard top strikers, but for the meantime it's a lot quieter. You can put one on both sides and it should be in there pretty tight. Basically it picks up all the slack of the latches basically, and it should be a lot quieter. So I'm using the softer side. So yeah, quick video. Hopefully it helps you out, and hopefully there's no more rattles. See you next time.